Hey,
Hey,
how are you?
fine. Are you?
¿Cómo se llama? Oh, hey guys. So here we are. Oh, who's this in the background? Oh, Sarah's joining us today. So here we are at the New World Symphony in Miami Beach. We got tickets to go to a concert tonight. The Sounds of the Season is what it's called. So join us for a festive evening at the concert in the symphony, The Sounds of the Season. Stay with us. Here we are in our seats. Front row.
Please sing along with us for White Christmas, and thank you again to all of you for coming out and supporting us all.
So, my family, it was okay. See, it was better than okay.
It's super amazing.
Super amazing.
Yes. Hermoso. Hermoso espectáculo. Muy bello para repetir el próximo año.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, every year. But I have to tell a little story. So, the reason you don't see, I mean, we had a lot of video, but there were the video Nazi was up. The police, not really the police, but an old lady. No, she wasn't even security. But she was like just staring down everybody that had their phones. It was really kind of funny. So I'm leaning forward trying to hide the camera because we're not supposed to video. But we did anyway. So just a few snippets. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We had a really nice evening. Hope you enjoyed our little show this evening for all of you. And keep on watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, turn the notification bell on so we can show you more videos. We really enjoy doing these and help us to keep on growing. Thanks a lot for joining us. Have a great evening.
Happy. This is the Christmas, no?
Happy Merry Christmas, people.
Feliz Navidad.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, okay?
Happy New Year, too.
Exactly. Bye, everyone.
Bye.